Kathy.
You unlock this door. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. The time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star. And this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Once you are seated, your seatbelt is located on your left-hand side. When you ask that you please hold on to any hats, glasses, or other loose items you wish to keep.
And enjoy your stay at the Hollywood Tower Hotel.
You are the passengers on the most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of the Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. To discover what lies beyond the dimension, beyond the deepest currents of imagination, in the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning, something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit to the...
What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror. This ride definitely helped contribute to my theme park obsession growing up. Even as a kid, I absolutely love this ride. I know a lot of people don't care a lot for drop tower rides. I love them, and that's why I like rides like this so much. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little bell so you'll be notified when we upload new awesome videos. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.